So I picked up this Nicpro set of pencils. First impression was kind of a cheap case. I mean, you can see it's just kind of, I'm not going to keep it. But some pretty cool pencils. These are fairly substantial and got a nice knurled finish. And they come in, now these don't retract like some of the others, but these come down to 0.3 millimeter on that one, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, and then you have this, I believe it's a 2 for heavier duty work. So you get like pretty much everything is covered here in terms of size. A bunch of extra stuff, erasers, pencil erasers, leads for all sizes in here. Again, this case feels like an afterthought. I don't really care for it. I do like the color leads that come with it. You got a couple of sleeves of 3, 4, 2 millimeter, 0.3, pretty well packed, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9. So I guess they think you're going to be using 2 millimeter a lot. But oh, a little sharpener for the 2 millimeter, I'm assuming. But pretty comprehensive set that will keep you going for quite a while. I do really like the feel of these. They have a little bit of weight to them, and clips are pretty tough. Looks like they're removable. I'm not gonna mess with that. But yes, nice little set.